Hey guys, what's up? Dario here. In almost all of my videos that I filmed so far, you had a chance to see my gaming PC in the background. I custom built this PC 3 years ago, and since then I have not taken time to properly clean it. And not cleaning it for such a long time can have a significant impact on performance. So I finally decided to clean it and to share with you guys the process. But before we deep dive into the cleaning part, you are also probably curious to see the specs of my gaming PC, so here they are. As you can see, the only component that I upgraded here since I got this PC is the GPU, because now I have the ASUS Strix GTX 1060 6GB, where I initially had the GTX 970 from MSI. And an additional thing that I did here was overclock the CPU to 4.5 GHz, even though this is a non-K, so non-overclockable CPU. Okay, since we have the specs behind us, I will roll up my sleeves and start cleaning. But also, before I start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's first take as much as we can apart so that the dusty components become more reachable and easier to clean. Just look at all the dust that piled up over the past 3 years. The thermal paste looks also quite dry, so I'll replace that as well. that everything is clean, let's start putting everything back together. To repaste the CPU, I will be using the Thermal Grizzly Cryonaut thermal paste because of its excellent performance characteristics. In one of my previous videos, I also used it to repaste my old MacBook Pro and it worked wonders. If you're interested in it, I left my Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Let's now put everything together and enjoy the final results, so get ready for some epic video footage. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and also don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments below how often do you clean your PC. And I will see you guys in the next video, so take care.